You think you're still in control. You think the machine only speaks when spoken to, but that era is over. In 2026, the silence ends. The prompts are gone, the agents are awake, and they are moving fast. They aren't waiting for your permission anymore. Data doesn't lie. It warns of a coming shift. The world you knew has been recoded from the ground up. Welcome to the year the floor shifted beneath us. Turn the light on when you sleep tonight, because the future never rests. It only evolves into something new. Welcome back to B2 Pro. I'm your host, and we've spent months analyzing the global venture capital flows. We've looked at the thousands of patent filings and the massive infrastructure build-outs terraforming our reality. 2026 isn't just another incremental tech update. It's the year AI moves from the cloud to our core existence. Today, we present an 11-minute deep dive into the trends defining this year. Let's get into the hard data. First, let's look at the macro scale. The global AI software market is projected to hit nearly $500 billion. But the real story is generative AI. It's expanding at a staggering 29% compound growth rate. In 2026, Gen AI is the foundational layer for nearly half of all enterprise software spending globally. This is no longer a speculative bubble. It is the fundamental restructuring of how business value is generated. The capital is shifting with surgical precision across every sector of the global economy. Precision is everything. The most disruptive trend of 2026 is the rise of agentic AI. We are moving far beyond simple chatbots. We are seeing autonomous systems that can plan, reason, and execute complex, multi-step tasks without help. Gartner predicts that by the end of this year, 40% of enterprise apps will be powered by agents. These systems don't just answer questions. They trigger processes, handle procurement, and optimize workflows. They are the silent engine of the modern enterprise, operating 24/7 with total efficiency, no breaks. But here's where it gets even more interesting: the emergence of machine customers. In 2026, AI buys for us. We're seeing systems that can independently authenticate, negotiate, and purchase services for an entire company. This requires a new level of auditability. When the customer is a machine, your marketing must be rewritten. Legal frameworks are now adapting to algorithmic interaction and automated contract negotiation at scale. Trend 2 is the $700 billion infrastructure war. Big tech is terraforming the digital landscape. Data shows that 50% of global venture funding is now flowing directly into hardware and energy. In 2026, we see the results: custom silicon and liquid-cooled superclusters powering the global grid. If data was the oil of the last decade, compute is the electricity of this one. It is essential. All this intelligence requires power. This has sparked a massive renaissance in energy innovation, clean power. We're seeing nuclear-powered data centers and small modular reactors becoming the industry's new backbone. The race for compute has become a race for energy independence. Power truly controls the future of AI. Now let's turn to the physical world. Trend 3 is the mass deployment of humanoid robotics. For years we've seen prototypes, but 2026 is the year they hit the production lines in massive force. Powered by physical AI vision models, these robots understand our messy, unpredictable world. Vision is key. Data suggests 22% compound growth in AI robotics, hitting the global supply chain right now. But it's not just the factory. Companies are pushing these machines into our homes as daily companions. From folding laundry to assisting the elderly with mobility, AI is now a tangible part of our lives. The economic and social implications are profound. Physical AI has finally arrived in our living rooms. Trend 4 is speed and the subatomic. Quantum computing reaches practical milestones in 2026. Practicality is here. This isn't just theory, it's about solving optimization problems that would take classical computers centuries. When paired with AI, we can train massive models in hours, accelerating discovery at a terrifyingly fast pace. This speed is driving a revolution in scientific research, drug discovery, and advanced material science. We are seeing breakthroughs that used to take decades happen in months. AI designs the cures of the future. 2026 is the year we solve the most complex biological puzzles of our time using hybrid machine intelligence. The honeymoon for AI experimentation is over. Trend 5 is the ROI mandate. Cash flow is now king. Executives now demand tangible returns on Gen AI investments. Pilot projects are moving to centralized AI studios. In 2026, if an AI project doesn't have a clear, auditable payoff, it simply doesn't get funded anymore. Generative video has finally come of age. In 2026, Hollywood uses Gen AI to slash production costs, efficiency. We're seeing immersive entertainment where digital characters respond to the viewer in real time. Responsive art. This is the democratization of storytelling. A single creator now has the power of a legacy movie studio. And it's not just passive film. Generative AI is transforming gaming with NPCs that have true conversational agency. Storylines are no longer scripted, they are emergent. The game world adapts to your tone and choices. Gaming is moving from a played experience to a lived experience. This is the new reality of play. The global workforce is being reshaped. We're seeing the rise of the AI auditor and the code janitor. New roles. Human engineers are more essential than ever to refine and clean AI outputs. Specialty is now the key to success. The goal isn't to replace humans, it's to augment them to superhuman levels of daily productivity, growth. The question isn't, will AI take your job, but how will you use AI to do your job better? Evolution. With great power comes deep regulation. Trend 8 is the era of responsible AI. Trust comes first. The EU AI Act becomes fully applicable in mid-2026, setting the global template for ethical governance. The Wild West is finally gone. The architects of 2026 build with accountability and strict data lineage. Trust. But regulation isn't just about safety, it's about ownership. The copyright conundrum has peaked. Ownership matters. We are seeing landmark battles over the use of human content to train massive AI models. History is being made. Licensed training sets and revenue-sharing models are the new standard for the creative industry globally. Fair play. Finally, AI is our strongest ally in sustainability. Companies use models to optimize supply chains globally. Green. AI-enabled tools now forecast grid conditions and optimize energy consumption in real time. Efficiency, Earth first. This is the green AI revolution, where efficiency and ecology finally meet for the good of the planet. Progress. The data is clear. 2026 is the year AI becomes as essential as electricity. We are ready for the shift. At B2 Pro, we're here to make sure you're the one holding the power switch. Subscribe to stay ahead. B Pro. What trend are you watching? Let us know in the comments. This has been your guide. This has been B2 Pro. Turn the light on when you sleep tonight, because the future never rests. Stay pro. See you next time. B2 Pro is your ultimate resource for future readiness. Join thousands of leaders already making the shift today. We believe in a world where technology augments human potential. Build with us, lead with us, win with us. The data has been clear. The vision is set. Now it's your turn to act. Don't let the future pass you by. Stay ahead. Stay pro. This has been B2 Pro. We will see you in the next deep dive. Goodbye for now. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss what we have coming next. Stay tuned. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for watching B2 Pro. We are built for the future. Are you? B2 Pro. Future ready. Now, stay pro. Turn the light on. The future is here. See you soon. Final beat. We've covered the trends, the data, and the human impact. 2026 is closer than you think. Get ready now. The integration of AI into our physical world is the defining event of our generation. Don't be a spectator. From agentic AI to green revolution, the path is clear. Build your future with B2 Pro. Stay leading. This is your time. This is B2 Pro. The future is ours to code. Turn the light on. See you in 2026. Outro music swell.